So, for the Oppo A3X, yung pinaka best seller nila. Naka-price drop din ngayon. From 5,499, it's 4,399 na lang yan. Ako, sa mga naghahanap dyan ng mura lang na phone, affordable. And then, maganda naman yung specification. Consider this, Oppo A3X. Ang laki ng masisave nyo dito. Ang laki ng price difference. For the Oppo A3, ito naman yung presyo niya. Grabe, ang laki na masisave nyo. Come and visit SMC side na Oppo na SMC side branch. Not bad for its price. Maganda naman yung Oppo din na mga cellphone. The newest one of Oppo, the Oppo A5. This is the price as of October 20. For the Oppo For the Oppo A5, naka-price drop din sila mga sis. Ayan. 10,999. Meron ding 12,999. Then, napakita ko na kanina. The Oppo A5X, their newest phone. Pakita ko lang yung kanyang front, yung kanyang side bezel, tsaka yung kanyang likod. Napakaganda ng phone na ito. 7,999 with my white and meron ding midnight blue na color. 2 colors available for the Oppo A5X. This is the specification. Ito yung specification mga sis. Ayan. For the Oppo A5i, ito naman yung presyo as of October 20. So, there's 4,399. They also have 5,699. Diba, napakamura lang yan. Ganda ng specification nyo. Military grade, shock resistance, 45 watts super flash charge. Yan siya, guys. So, that's it for the Oppo A series price update.